Hi all, welcome to Excel World. So today we will be learning a very important topic, I must say, which is a gratuity calculation. So we all have to know that gratuity is something which we all are liable and which we are able to claim if we work in an organization for more than 5 years. So if we have worked in an organization more than 5 years, the employer should have given us the gratuity amount, and if they have not given us the gratuity amount, we can ask them to give it as per the law. So there are certain laws which encourage people to work for a long term, and if someone has achieved it or if someone has worked for more than 5 years, so the company or the employer should have given them the long service award, which is a gratuity amount, while when we resign the organization. So this is an example through which we wanted to show how to calculate the gratuity amount. So we have put one example, like we have put the employee name, then date of joining. You can relate it with yourself also. If you have worked for more than 5 years, you can calculate the gratuity amount right now. So if you have your joining period, you put your joining period here, then resignation date you can put, and then the last withdrawn salary you can put whatever it is. So then last withdrawn salary is calculated as per below: basic salary plus DNS allowances. You can calculate like this. And then year of working or your tenure of job you can put here. Then month also you can put here. Then year of gratuity you can put here, year of gratuity. Then gratuity amount we will be calculating. We will be showing how you will be getting the gratuity amount. So this is all the formula. You can see here we have put the formula also of the gratuity in below. You can see we have highlighted it with the blue color, so you can note it down somewhere. This is the gratuity formula. So below are the basic rules which were set by the government. So rules applied on gratuity as per the Gratuity Act 1972. So employers should have continuous service for 5 years. If you have worked for an organization for more than 5 years, you are liable to ask them for the gratuity amount. Employers shall pay gratuity excess of 6 months for every completed year. So employer को, if the employer has to pay any amount which is excess than 6 months as per the completed year, they have to give. And an employee is paid 15 days salary as gratuity in each year of service. If you have worked for an year, so employer has to pay 15 days of salary of your last withdrawn salary as per each year. So if you have worked for 15 years, consecutive years, so you are liable to ask for 15 days salary each year for 15 years which you have worked. So like this you can calculate. So we will be telling you how to find out the gratuity amount using the formula. So here we will be showing you how we will be calculating the gratuity amount for the mentioned names, and accordingly you can also try to apply the formula and find out yours. So we are putting the formula equal to, if bracket open, then we are selecting the years of gratuity, which is 15, and then greater than 5, we are putting the condition that if the gratuity period or year is greater than 5, then the person is liable for getting the gratuity amount. We are putting comma, bracket open, then we are selecting the last withdrawn salary. First we are putting it into 15, because 15 days we can get for last withdrawn salary. Then we are putting into, then we are selecting last withdrawn salary, then into, and then we will be putting the years of gratuity again to calculate as per the year. Like 15 days we can get for each year worked total salary of 15 days we will be getting for each year whatever we have worked. So like this we are calculating. Then after that we will close the bracket and then we will divide it by 26. So 26 we have to divide it in each time, because this is the formula how we will be getting the gratuity amount. Then comma, then we will be putting semicolon not applicable. If your tenure is below 5 years, so you are not applicable to get the gratuity amount. This is we are putting in formula. Then bracket close and enter. So like now we can see Rahul tenure is 15 years, so that's why he is getting 5 lakhs as a gratuity amount when he leaves the organization. So Sunny has worked for less than 5 years. As we can see, he has worked only for 3 years, so that's why he is not applicable for getting the gratuity. Rohan has worked for 17 years, so that's why he is applicable and he is liable to get 5 lakhs 88,000 amount as a gratuity amount. So it's a big amount which you can ask for any of the employer if you have worked in an organization for more than 5 years. Hopefully this information is useful for you, and if you wanted to calculate your gratuity amount, you can calculate using this formula I am highlighting below, so that you also can find out how much gratuity amount you are able to get if you resign in the organization and if you have worked for more than 5 years. So hopefully this information is effective, and if so, please subscribe our channel and please increase our family and motivate us also to give these useful information to our Excel community. So please share it with your friends and family who don't know about the gratuity and who is struggling to get the information about this. So hopefully this video is more informative, and we will be coming with more such videos in future also. So please stay connected with our Excel group. Thank you. Bye. Take care.